UEX is excited to announce that the company becomes 50% owner of JCU Canada Exploration Company Limited. Denison Mines will own the remaining 50% interest in JCU. While ownership of JCU will be shared between UEX and Denison, UEX will be the manager of JCU. With this acquisition, we will have ownership of 50% of JCU's historical resource base of 96.9 million pounds U3O8, which includes significant stakes in 3 of Canada's next 5 uranium development projects. 30.099% of Cameco's Millennium development project, 10% of Denison's Wheeler River development project, 33.8123% of Orano's Kiggavik development project. Millennium is one of Cameco's key near-term future development projects. Cameco's historical resource estimate of the Millennium deposit is 105 million pounds U3O8 at 2.61% average grade combined, indicated and inferred, and is dominantly hosted in the basement rocks. Cameco has advanced the project to the development stage, filing a project description with the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission in 2014. However, the project description was withdrawn in 2015 due to poor uranium prices. Wheeler River spans 11,720 hectares and contains 2 high-grade uranium deposits, Phoenix and Griffin. Denison estimates historical resources of 135 million pounds U3O8 in these 2 deposits and has completed a pre-feasibility study of the project in 2018. The Phoenix deposit is the highest grade undeveloped uranium deposit in the Athabasca Basin and is on track for ISR production later this decade. Denison published a positive pre-feasibility study on the project in October 2018 and has filed a project description with the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission in May 2019. In September 2021, the Wheeler River joint venture approved the initiation of the feasibility study that is expected to include an updated estimate of mineral resources, optimization of the mine and processing plant, a Class 3 capital cost estimate, and extensive planning, and technical work as part of the ongoing environmental assessment. Kiggavik is located in Nunavik, spans 18,469 hectares, and has 10 known deposits, 5 of which are included in the historical mineral resource of 133 million pounds U3O8 at an average grade of 0.46%. The joint venture operator Orano filed the environmental impact study with the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission in 2014. The joint venture application for the mining license was not granted in 2015, primarily due to the fact that the operator did not include a start date for the commencement of mining due to low uranium prices. As there doesn't appear to be key technical, environmental, or social issues with the license application or the environmental impact study, UEX believes that when uranium prices improve and Orano is ready to replace depleting production at their other operations, the Kiggavik project should move through the process relatively quickly. With this acquisition of JCU, UEX now owns 82.775% of Christie Lake, located 9 kilometers northeast of and along strike of the McArthur River uranium mine. An NI 43-101 technical report was completed and hosts 20.35 million pounds U3O8 with an average cutoff grade of 1.57% across 3 deposits. Christie Lake is our mid-stage project with many prospective targets. JCU also has minority ownership in other promising greenfields projects including Close Lake, Candle Lake, Waterfound River, Woolley, Moore Tumblin, Moon Lake, Cree Extension, and Beatty River. UEX considers these projects valuable additions to our portfolio. With our ownership share of JCU, UEX will have direct and indirect ownership in 6 of the next 10 likely uranium development projects in Canada. UEX anticipates that 3 of these projects could be developed during the upcoming uranium cycle. Our ownership share of JCU transforms UEX into a compelling development and advanced stage exploration company, underpinned by a large resource portfolio and a solid pipeline of future opportunities, backstopped by one of the largest uranium resource bases owned by a junior explorer and developer in Canada. UEX is excited about this great opportunity and feels this will bring great value to our shareholders. If you would like to learn more about UEX, visit our website at uexcorp.com and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.